In this video we will learn how to install the current NetBeans version on Windows. To install NetBeans we need Java. So in the first step we will install the current Java version. After that we will install NetBeans. So let us start with the first step. To install the current Java version, go to the web browser. On Google type Oracle Java and press enter. Here is the official website. Click on it. oracle.com/java. Okay, now directly click download Java. Here the current version of Java is visible, Java 25, and when you'll go below, you'll get an option to install the current Java version. Go for Windows and here select the x64 installer, that is the exe file. Click on it to download. The download started. Let's wait. It's only 182 MB. The current Java version downloaded successfully. Here is the exe file. Right click and click open to begin the installation. Minimize. The installation started. Click next. Java will get installed in the following location under C drive. Keep it as it is and click next. Now Java will get installed. We have installed the current Java version. Click close. Now let us set the path. We installed Java in C drive, program files. Here it is Java. Double click the folder, double click the bin and copy this path. Minimize. Go to start, type environment variables. Click open. Let us set the same path. Click environment variables here. Under system variables, go to path and double click. Here click new and paste the same path. Here it is. We have set the path. Click OK. OK. And the last OK. We have successfully installed Java. Let us verify. Go to start. Type cmd. Click open. Type the command java --version. Press enter. This shows that we successfully installed the current Java version. Close this. Now let us install NetBeans. Go to the web browser. Type NetBeans. Hit enter. Now after pressing enter, the official website is visible. Click on it. Here is the official website netbeans.apache.org. The current NetBeans version is visible. Click download. After clicking, various versions are visible for NetBeans. We want for Windows, so I'll click the following, that is NetBeans -28-bin.zip. Click on it. The download started. Let's wait. We have downloaded the zip file. Right click and select show in folder. Here we will extract the zip file. Right click and click extract all. After that click extract. Now let us wait, it will get extracted. We have extracted the NetBeans bin file. Here it is. Double click NetBeans. After that go to bin. Here it is. Double click and the exe file is visible. I'll go for the netbeans64.exe. Double click. Minimize. Now the setup started. Let's wait. NetBeans opened. Now let us create a new project. You can directly create a new project from here, or you can go to file, click new project. From here I'll go for the default basic application, that is Java application. Click on it and click next. Here you need to add your project name. So let's say I'll name it Amit demo application. Okay, here is the project location. You can also add the package name. So let's say I'll mention com.cpp Studiopedia. You can add any name. Click finish. Now our project will get created. It will automatically create a new Java application file with the same name, that is Amit demo application. Okay, from here we can print anything. So I'll remove hello world. Whatever we will add inside system.out.println will get printed. So let's say I'll just print my name. Go to file, click save all. Now to run it, you can click here or you can right click and click run file. Here it is, the output is visible. Amit Diwan, that is whatever we added inside this got printed. So for a free Java tutorial, refer to the link in the description of the video. We have covered over 40 lessons. Thank you for watching the video.